Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the latest Apple AirPods Max and I'm going to tell you how can you easily fix Bluetooth pairing issues if you can't connect to your iPhone. At first go to the settings and go to Bluetooth. Disable Bluetooth and you have to now do a hard reset. To do a hard reset you have to hold the noise cancellation button and your crown for at least 15 seconds simultaneously. You have to do this until your LED lights go this. It will take some 15 seconds, 16 seconds. And that's it. Now you have to enable Bluetooth and check if you can connect with your AirPods Max. As you can see, I do. What about you? Tell me in the comments. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.